What is up, guys? It is your boy Spaghetti, and today I will be reviewing the Wisfox keyboard. This keyboard is really good, especially for the price. So the buttons are good, obviously. The keycaps are nice. The RGB is amazing, dude. I love it. I mean, it's not the greatest thing, but you can plug it into anything like a PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. It's all really good. As you can see, it has a 4.5 star rating, which I think is what it deserves. It's really priced very well, as you'll see on the next picture that is shown. You're getting RGB, even though it's not customizable. It's still RGB. It looks good for the quality, like the price. You have the keycaps are just keycaps. It's a membrane keyboard, I think. It has membrane switches. Or keyboard, I don't know. I'm not an expert, obviously, but I'm telling you what I think of the product that I have. Obviously, I like it enough to be using it for 3 months, but I am going to switch over to an And Pro 2 very soon. So I do recommend this keyboard for newer people, like just if you're just kind of starting and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a keyboard. But just it's good for the price that you pay. So now I'm gonna move into the sound test. Here we go. So, in conclusion, I think this is a great keyboard for people who want a lower price keyboard but still want RGB. I would highly recommend it. I think from what you've seen, you can tell it's a pretty good keyboard. I'm not gonna lie, it has some really good frame because I honestly smash my keyboard a lot, but I'll have to stop that with my new keyboard. If you enjoyed the video or found this helpful at all, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe and like.